Hi, welcome to the Daydreams of Quilts YouTube channel. Today we are making a quick and easy spring or Easter placemat using ColorWorks from Studio 39 Fabrics. They sent these fabrics to me to ask me to review how I like them because this is a new product to their store. And I have to say I love them. They are soft, they're a nice weight for quilting projects, and they're really high quality fabrics. They're by Northcott Fabrics, and I have never been disappointed by Northcott Fabrics, so I can confidently recommend these are good fabrics to use for your projects. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is going to be a set of 4 ombre placemats, and so we're using 4 different ColorWorks solids. We're using snow, blush, rose petal, and coral. And we're going to cut them and make 4 placemats. Okay, so I've stacked these fabrics on top of each other. And I'm going to line up my ruler and just square up this first edge. And then I'm going to make 4 3.5-inch cuts. And since I have 5 people in my family, I'm actually going to make 1 more cut so I can make 5 placemats. Okay, and save the offcuts to make coffee cozies or mug rugs or coasters. Okay, now I am going to line these all up on my cutting mat. Just on like a 1-inch mark. Just get them all straight. Just make sure all your uneven ends are over the 0 mark on this end. Okay, so I want my placemats to be 12 inches by 16 inches, but you could make yours 12 by 18 if you want. There's enough fabric to do that. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll make mine 18. It might be a little squishy around our little table, but we'll see. So I'm going to cut right here on the 18-inch mark. And right here on the 0. And save all these for another little project. And now I'm ready to sew these together. So I'm just going to lay them out from lightest to darkest. And sew them all with a 1/4-inch seam and then press from lightest to darkest on the back. Okay, so here they are sewn together, and I pressed all the seams from top to bottom. So now all we need to do is layer this with quilt batting and a piece of backing fabric and just have those come out 1 inch or 2 around all sides. We'll stitch in the ditch, or you can quilt a 1/4 inch from each seam. And then trim your batting and backing off and bind. And then that's it. Your placemat is done. I will link to a binding video if you're new to quilting and you're not sure how to bind. I have 2 videos on my channel, so I'll put links for those in the description as well. Okay, so here is the placemat all quilted. I quilted 1/4 inch from each seam. And I bound it with ColorWorks Ultra White. And you probably need about 2 strips. You need 2 strips to bind a placemat, so you would need about 1/2 yard for 4 placemats. And then I put a pretty print on the back, so it's reversible. You could put it either way on your table. So there we are. Thanks for sewing along with me today. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos from Daydreams of Quilts.